Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Friday 22 of July. And this is looking, yesterday I think there was a discussion about this level being retested. And if I do bring that line over here, I just want to, actually let's remove that line. And this level I want to see retested. Maybe now during the weekends we might retest that level, because you might come down, but there's one level that you're holding very well for Solana at the moment. And before we talk about that line to the downside, it's this level holding as support at the moment. Okay, so what you're doing instead is you're making another support on a different key level. Okay, just like you had this resistance right over there, the resistance right over here, and you broke out, went for the retest and pushed to the upside. It's the same way you made one resistance, second resistance, you made a wick to the downside, but you ended up closing at this level, and you're pretty much holding that level like a boss at the moment. So if I show you the 4-hour time frame, it's going to be way more clear with way more candles at the moment. So let's bring in all of this scenario right now, and yep, you can see this is what I'm talking about. The touch right over there, resistance right over here, went down, and now you're trying to hold it like a support. Okay, but be careful about the weekends. I'm still not going to touch anything for trading, but if you do end up holding that thing as a retest, then I do reckon that there's a good chance that you might start to push to the upside again. And it's gonna be maybe from there to there. I would even really say that you're looking for Solana to make the move up to $56.9 if you're going to hold the retest, right? So keep put a big stop loss down at this last wick down here, 39.66. If you start to take it out, that's not going to be a good idea. And that's it for today's update. Quick one on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.